Hey friends, if the Mail app is not working on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. Now I'll explain what the Mail app is. Search for Mail in the Windows search bar and open the Mail app. Now this was supposed to be the primary client for accessing emails, and it allowed you access to Google and Yahoo and a lot more. So if this doesn't work, then here's my question. Why do you want to use it at the first place? Microsoft has provided an excellent alternative named New Outlook. So search for Outlook, and here's this option called New Outlook, not the paid one, it's a free app. So this is a free app. It is way better than the Mail app, and it is smoother, it is faster and everything. All I would suggest is simply shift to this app. But if you really want to use Mail app for some or the other reason, then here's what you can do. Search for Mail in the Windows search bar. Click on app settings in the right pane. Now wait for it to load. Scroll down, click on repair, click on reset, and then click on reset now. This should solve the problem with the Mail app if it was specific to the Mail app, because the issue cannot be with the server itself. The server is the server of the Microsoft account. And if this doesn't work, then you can uninstall the Mail app and reinstall it from the Microsoft Store. So search for Mail in the Microsoft Store. You'll find this Mail and Calendar app. You can download it from here. However, we don't have the option to uninstall and reinstall it on newer computers because of the introduction of the new Outlook app. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of this video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.